Silang ramens here. It's a ramen world.
Thanks, Gil, for the vid. Guys, bago na yung aircon namin dito sa Commerce Building. Yay! Gail, what can you say?
It's so good. It's so cool.
Salamat po! Kami pa lang ang mga estudyante. So early. We're online. What time is it na?
It's 2:33.
Bacon pa rin natin. Yes.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch up? Wake up when life tries to test me. I take
break
it
time.
way out of time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good.
Yan yung main building ang ganda.
Nagre-reflect lang eh, pero it's so pretty.
I'm good.
So ito ang view from our room.
I put a dress on today. I don't care what you say.
Pero mas maganda yung
And I'm
subject.
ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't gonna do. 'Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I stay. When life tries to test me,
Hi guys, welcome
I
back to
take
my
you
channel.
sa Dego 3 is food recommendations.
Today, we have the finished good.
Survive. Windbreaker naman siya.
Bye-bye. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye vlog!
It's 2:54 p.m. and it's our break time.
May free ang burger.
Totoo, free. Ano?
Skip na natin guys.
Oo, sige, oo.
Si Ma'am Vlog.
Ay, uy, baka may ano. May blind box saan. Ayan na, kinikilig na siya. May mga foods pala here. Ay, may pala! Lil Orbit! Yay! Ay, may tanong ako. Anong bibiling ko? Tanghulo, Lil Orbit?
Ano?
Isa lang.
I-treat mo sarili mo ngayon, kaya dalawa.
Eh, budol
Diba?
tong mga to.
Tama.
Gil! Ano sa tingin mo biling ko? Lil Orbits o Tanghulo?
Gusto ko Lil Orbit.
Okay, fine. Uy, sabi ko yung shoutout na.
Bakit ako bawal makita sa
Sa loob pa rin naman ng campus to eh.
Hindi na monetize yan.
Bakit? Eh, ikakat ko yun. O kaya i-ano ko, i-ano ko, tweet! Oh, yay! Thank you po, ate. Uy, sarap.
Go! Tasted!
Tasted.
Wow!
Ang daming boat, guys. Meron pa dito.
Maybe we could think about it. I don't wanna be without it. I can't get this mind off you, babe. No matter what you say or do, babe. I can't get this mind off you, babe. Let's be honest, babe.
Hindi nga kaya ng tuta mo.
And I'll be honest with how I feel about it. Now we making love, get your phone out. Calling up your girls so she can know. 5 a.m. when we slow it down, I don't wanna blink, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna miss this time for sure. Cause I can't get this mind off.
Pag-commit na lang kayo, sorry. Pag-commit na lang ng part na yun.
it's real. I don't believe it's how you make me feel. 'Cause I can't get this mind
Friend, wag maguguluhin yung buhok mo. Ang ganda mo dyan, te. Kaya crush kita eh. Ito rin, no? Isa din, no? Isang cutie din to. Rish. Malamig na. Kasi bagal yung aircon. Everyone, so it's March 29 tonight and it's 11:19 p.m. I just want to vlog this specific moment because I've actually received kind of a sad news. Yesterday ko pa siya nalaman, so this whole day I feel really down. Hindi ko na lang i-detail kung bakit, but there's a chance that something very important to me is baka mawala. I'm really scared, I'm really anxious right now, and I just want to document this because I just want to be real then dito sa YouTube. So I just don't want to document the only the good times. Kahit pa paano gusto ko din na ma-document yung mga times na I'm feeling down. Right now, I'm editing this vlog actually. Ayan, I'm about to edit this vlog. Sisimulan ko na siya. By this time, I am hoping and praying to God na sana naman hindi mawala yung bagay na yun sa akin. And I'm just really praying and hoping for strength. So yun, parang makikita niyo sa vibe ng mukha ko ngayon na yun nga, medyo problemado tayo. I must admit na I cried over it yesterday. Yesterday night ko siya nalaman after school. And I also cried over it today. So I'm going to edit this vlog na right now. Our new intro, guys. Ito yung first edit ko ng chapter 2 for Life Recap. Ang taba ko na naman sa angle.
I think your world's gonna shatter. Yeah, when we get down to what matters, you and I. Yeah, don't sit around, make a move. Don't know what you're trying to prove. Taking all this time, 'cause baby you.
Hindi ka naman gutom niyan.
Paano din?
Yan.
Spams, egg and cheddar cheese. Kaya meron ko ng Starbucks. Chocolate donut. Drink. Gusto sa'yo yung dragon.
It's 2 a.m. on
Paano nagdi-dinner?
Falta mentir, tú eres la chica pa' mí, nena, tú y yo somos